morning, guys. It's currently 3:12 a.m. and we have a flight today to Bangkok. So yeah, get ready with me first. So early. First, I'm gonna get dressed. This is my outfit of the day. So first, guys, I'm gonna do my skincare. Skincare bag. This is my favorite foundation right now. This is the Dior Forever Skin Perfect in the shade 1N. Look at the shade match, it's so nice. I'm just blending it in right now. And I like using a sponge. Next, I'm gonna put concealer with Dior Forever Skin Correct in the shade 1N. And I'm just gonna put it on my under eyes. Make my eyes look a bit brighter. Sponging it. So sleepy pa. I slept at around 11 p.m. And it's just 3 a.m. So I have like roughly 4 hours of sleep pa lang. Our flight later is at 7 a.m. So we're gonna leave at 4 a.m. We're near lang naman the airport. So it's okay. Then I'm gonna do my blush. This is the Dior Forever Blush Filter in the shade 01 Petal. I'm just gonna put some on my cheek. This is one of my favorite blushes, but I barely use it. Kasi I put powder din naman on top, so tinitipid ko siya. And if I keep putting this, natakpan lang din siya ng powder. So today I'm gonna use this one. And I think I'm gonna put powder pa rin on top, but this one will make it have like a cream, so it will last longer. Yeah, usually just use a brush to blend it. So nice. See, weightless loose powder. That's Susan. I think they discontinued this, but I like this one. Setting powder after this. And then I patong the Dior Backstage Rosy Glue in the shade Candy. So sobrang gamit ko to, guys. Yun nyo. Napan ko na siya. I'm just gonna patong it just a bit. Because I have powder din naman at the bottom. I have blush din naman at the bottom. So I'm done na. I'm just gonna fix my stuff for a bit lang.
We are now in Siam Paragon. So pretty, guys. Wow. Josh, say hi. Josh, say hi. Hi. So nice.
Nakita mo. Dapat siya doon. Ewan ko lang kung saan doon.
Hindi ko mahanap. We're actually looking for dessert ngayon. I think dito yung pang... We're gonna go back down. We're looking for dessert right now. Wala kami mahanap. Ba't kakainan ng dessert? Like, di kami maka-dessert. Bababa ulit tayo sa kanina.
Ganun.
Doon. Ito hanggang dito lang. This is for my vlog. Ay, ayaw mag-tear. Hanap natin yung butterfly natin. Dahil hindi ko mahanap yung ginawa kong butterfly. So nice here. Look. It's actually my first time in Bangkok, but I went to Thailand in 2022. But that was in Phuket. Sa Bangkok, ngayon lang ako nakapag-Bangkok. Time explore. Where will we eat dessert though?
Tubig pa rin talaga to.
Yeah. Like when I went here, I didn't know what to expect kasi I didn't really do any research. And grabe pala yung mga mall dito. Sobrang layo sa mall sa Philippines. Sobrang laki ng difference. So wala kami maisip na kakainan namin dessert. So yeah. We're gonna go to After You. Uy, sa baba na pala yun kasi sa second floor na lang. Uy, may ano na oh. Yung MacBook Neo. So may check. Yung MacBook Neo.
Wala
So-
pa sa atin.
Wala pa. Parang wala pang nakikita. So may check. Nakurious tuloy ako. Uy, Tesla! Ay, yung ano, yung 6-seater. So we're here in Tesla. I think Hans wants to check. Ay, puro, grabe, may ano pa, BM. Ito na oh, tingnan mo oh, hanggang likod. Ano to? Model YL. Dadalhin ba ito sa Philippines? Ano na? So this is the, ano, the 6-seater na Tesla.
Galing nga.
Nice. So, hindi na tayo pupunta sa BIMS.
Ayun.
Yung Tron. Pati dito may animation, oh. Galing. Sir, when did you make your first million? Mga vlog.
Actually, kakaulis. Hindi ako ito.
So ngayon, dito kami sa BMW. Wala pa kami sa Bangkok International Motor Show. Puro kotse na agad yung inaano namin. X1, ang ganda ah. Ito yung gusto ko dati. Nakalak. Ay, X1. Ito yung dream car ko dati. Guys, this was my dream car in college. Ay, actually X1. But then they have ano pa. Full electric yun. Ang ganda ng harap na ito. Naka all black. So ganda. And then, 220i. Okay, now we're checking big camera gallery. Uy, DJI mic. This one, I want this one. The mic mini actually. 3,100 baht. DJI. Uy, it's my camera. This is my camera, oh. This one on my camera. Hey! This one on my camera. Gusto ko rin to. Ace Pro 2. Yung parang panglaban nila sa DJI na ano. Ano yun? Ito kasi 8K. As action siya. Ganda rin to.
Sobrang pang parang...
Meron yung pwedeng may connect. Meron silang printer.
Oo, yun.
Yung print.
Parang hindi siya mukhang cute lang. Ito kasi maganda tingnan.
Yung, yan. Ito.
Tapos nadidig natatanggal.
Yeah. Ito yung pro neto eh. Ito hanggang 8K kasi to. Tsaka mas siya. Mas pang heavy use. Bili lang ito ng gantuhan. Kasi na yung ganto mo. Bili lang ko si Hans neto guys. Share ko lang. Itong Osmo Mobile 7. Hindi niya ginagamit. Sana binigay mo na lang sa akin para ko yung gumamit. Charmer ah. Yung charmer ako parang ilang araw ko na nagamit. Pinagsama ko na kaagad. Nakasabit na lang siya dito.
Super maganda kasing quality.
Case T5, mahal ng Case T5. Kaso ang ganda ng cases nila.
Yun nga, pero feel ko pag ganyan, one time, big time na lang. Parang yan na lang yung case.
Pero hindi siya maganda yung, kung bibili ka ng ganyan, wag yung shining likod. Sobrang scratch, niya. Prone mag-scratch. So, ito na sa Case T5 Studio. We're gonna check. Meron silang mga Singapore, Kasi may Japan exclusive sila eh. Malamang may Singapore exclusive din sila.
Shopping kasi
Ang cute oh. Look oh. So cute. There's Slinky.
parang gusto kong go.
Galing. Wow, look at that. So cool. There's Slinky.
Yung cute na gusto.
I also have Slinky here. Slinky. Look oh, so cute din. Grabe, ayoko. Parang hirap naman gawin.
Parang sipin hello. Kunyari nasa meeting ka, wait, may nag-text lang ako.
Parang iPad na siya eh. Grabe naman to. Oo nga eh. Go na.
No.
Hindi, bibili ka pa next year ng phone?
Oo, next
Okay, next year ka na bumili.
Pero mawawala. Pero tinang very Shopee to eh. Alam mo yung
Yeah. At
sobrang
ito yung,
kaya hindi sulit sa totoo.
ito.
Ito yung mas okay, hindi pa paano.
Kaso parang ang bulky naman masyado na ito.
Tingnan mo, very Shopee lang talaga.
Parang mabili mo siya sa Shopee, ano?
Oo.
Naman. Hindi ako makaget over, guys. Ang bulky.
Ito din. Uy, ang cute ng
Paano?
little twins to.
Hindi nga siya sa bag ko. Saan ba ilalagay ito?
Baka lanyard to. Yung cute ng little twins to.
Pero mas bearable naman.
Very ano naman.
Sanrio. May San Kitsune eh.
Wait lang.
Hmm.
Parang walang KST5 sa Manila.
Wala nga.
Kasi wala.
They have rin pala for Samsung. Ito, they're for Apple lang. S25. Wala pa silang S26. Camera lens. Ah. You're gonna check the MacBook Neo. Wala pa ito sa Philippines. Oh, ang cute ng pink. Here, it's 19,900. Magkano to in peso? Ano mo, A18 Pro. Yan yung chip ng iPhone.
Grabe.
Pero kasing lakas daw niya yung MacBook Air na M1 na.
Hello.
Oo. Magkano siya in peso?
19.
19.9. Parang sa 40.
34.
35. Kung sa Philippines, sa siguro 36, 30 something. Sabi, ang cute ng pink though. It's very me. But the pink one is cute ah. I like. Guys, kanina pa kami dapat magde-dessert, pero ang daming distractions dito. We're here right now in the parang food court. So we're looking for after you kasi doon kami talaga nagpa-plan mag-dessert. Parang sarap ng donut to. Truffle donut.
Anong tawag dito?
Abe, ang layo ng Thailand sa Pilipinas, ano?
Oo, malayo.
Sobra.
Ito isipin food court na nila to.
Sa atin, ang baduy ng mga food court sa atin. We're in the grocery now. Akala ko yung nahanap natin yung after you. Ba't tayo nandito?
Wala tayo muna.
After you muna tayo.
Kailangan ko bibili tayo tubig.
Mamaya na. Dadali mo yung tubig hanggang ano?
Masarap ang mga naman.
Mango yan? Ha? Kala ko mango. Marian plum. Plum. It looks like mango. Ah, may drink ko. Oh, parang ngayon ko na narinig yan.
Clam.
Plum.
Parang sa Animal Cross.
Where's after you? Mango sticky rice. Wala pa silang directory. We're looking for after you, but we can't find after you. I'll get back to you when we find after you. Guys, we finally found after you after a long search and a lot of distraction. Wee! Finally! Katabi lang pala ng grocery eh. Umikot lang tayo. Umikot lang tayo. Diyan tayo galing oh, yung grocery. Bro, we after you. Actually, meron to sa Philippines, but I haven't tried it. I think I tried it na there pala. Pouch na lang. We finally found it. Still loading. So slow. Ano, the data is so slow. Saan mo mag-order dito? See, I connected to the free Wi-Fi. Here, we're gonna check the menu. Wait, they have tiramisu.
Ano yung best seller? Ito yung bakes.
Yeah, kakigori. Mag-share na lang tayo, no? Milo Volcano. They have hojicha. Mango sticky rice.
Oo, sige.
Let's get the big one. Naganda na ako eh, nag-Wi-Fi. But we might get the mango sticky rice kakigori. It's 295 baht for the large one. Let's get the big size na no. Nice. This is the mango sticky rice kakigori. Uy, yung pinakabahan eh.
Kaysa sa meat fresh.
True. Ang layo sa meat fresh. Ayun, ayaw ko yung ano ng meat fresh eh. Ang tigas ng ice, ang lalaki. Mahirap kainin.
Kaya nagsarap.
Kapag sa meat fresh, binibig ko doon yung ano eh.
May
Yung
mga
gel.
bun sa loob.
Yeah, may mango bit. There's mango.
Philippines. Malayo, di ba?
May makita. But probably we won't buy pa ngayon kasi this is our first day. So you might go back here before we leave. Just looking around. What's that? Ang cute! Hey! Ang ganda ng Pantene, no? We have Kerastase from Absolute. Oh, I wanna try this one. The hair oil. We're gonna go back to the hotel in a while, but we're gonna buy drinks lang muna. Kasi we're gonna stay in the hotel, then we're gonna leave later pa. Bubble green milk tea. Mango iced tea. Ay, mango tea. Green grape, mango flavor. No. Smirnoff. Parang sarap ng mga milk nila. Oh, I want lychee tea. So, I got the This one is, oh, here. Ice lychee tea. I'll try. It's 30 baht. Yeah nga, that looks yummy, but I saw the lychee. And I love lychee. So we got both the, the mango and lychee. Buy one, get Yakult. Okay, we're gonna pay na. We have a lot of milk. So right now, we booked a Grab. We're gonna go back to our hotel. We're just waiting for him to arrive. Yung mga Grab pala dito, ang tatagal ng ETA. Kanina yung ETA ng Grab was 15 minutes. Pero malapit na siya. We're just gonna wait for him to arrive. So we're just making tambay in Starbucks. This is an MGEP. So this is our Grab. MGEP. And he's 6 minutes away. Our Grab from Siam Paragon to the Berkeley Hotel is 123 baht. So it's around 221 pesos for a 1.5 kilometer drive. So it's kind of expensive, but it's understandable because it's traffic there. So yeah, let's just wait for our Grab. 4 minutes. So we arrived earlier at the hotel and we took a nap lang. So now it's already 7 p.m. and we're going out to Central World. Kasi walking distance na siya, parang 10-minute walk. So that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna have dinner there and walk around. So yeah, come with us. Ganda oh. So we're here now in Central World. We're gonna walk around. Fast lang from our hotel. Parang less than 10 minutes walk. So pretty. Look. Yabo yung kanina. Yan nga eh. Cheesecake Factory. Guys, there's Cheesecake Factory here pala.
Ang ganda, same na same pa rin yung vibe.
Yeah. Okay, we're now here in Central World. We're gonna look for somewhere to eat. Oh, it's so pretty. You know, Sneaky oh. Honey Angel. Ay, hindi, Pop Mart pala yan. Gentlewoman. Guys, there's a line din yung Pop Mart dito. Oh, may line din, oh. So, there's Pop Mart here. Then, look. Wow, it's so pretty. Guys, there's Super Matcha here. I wanna try. It just opened in Mega Mall. Pero feel ko dami pa tao doon. So, parang it's nice to try here. Red Bull Energy Pop. Genki Sushi, oh. Meron din dito. Matcha and more. Ang dami ng matcha spot, ah. Oh, let me try. I want this. I wanna try so bad. Right now, we're on our way to the food court of Central World. Wala kami maisip na kainan. So, sabi namin sa food court na lang. Kasi at least dun maraming choice. Kaya punta na kami food court. Punta kami dyan sa Food World. Ang cute ng elephant.
Yeah.
Guys, it's so nice. We're gonna, or, may iba pa yung food tops. Bonchon. Uy, parang masarap. Okay, we're now here sa food hall. Wow, nakakalula. Ooh. Ooh, there's a lot of food. Ayun yung pang resto. Ooh. Mini night market.
Night market.
I think sabi dito ba yung mga ticket-ticket. Parang nakita ko yung sa TikTok. Hindi ka bibili ng food sa ticket machine. So we're gonna check lang kung saan kami kakain. And then, yeah. We got a pad thai with shrimp for 80 baht. And we also got the fried trio of pork with Thai basil with rice topped with Thai scrambled eggs. Then we also bought char siu here in char siu. I'm gonna buy and wash it. We got the char siu. Then this one, I forgot what it's called. And then pad thai, buko shake. It's coconut smoothie here. Yole. This is the Monkey Madness. And then, Bano fee. Oh, bango ah. And then, wala na. Ubus na.
Siyempre, Albert natin.
We are going back to our hotel in the Berkeley.
Kinuha mo na sa list.
Grabe, ang traffic pa rin, no?
गाड़ी में